using EcoStructure Control Expert, formerly Unity Pro, you may need to use a string of more than 16 characters, the default length of any string variable. To create a string of more than 16 characters, simply create the variable of string type and add the number of characters, 40 in this case, in square brackets. By default, in an animation table or in a section of logic that is animated, Control Expert will only show the first 16 characters. In order to see the entire string, simply select the extended screen icon in the animation table, extended screens, and you can see all 40 characters. In the section of logic, simply select the extended strings, and you can see the entire string. This even works for our inspect windows. And voila!